4 years after a man lost his home in the deadly Waverly floods, he's being forced to build once again. His home caught fire this week.
He was just released from the hospital after suffering serious burns. News 2's Sarah Smith spoke with him tonight and shares more out of Waverly.
This is what's left of Raymond Hill's home in Waverly after the fire.
I've lost everything, including my car. I have nothing but what you see on my back right now.
He says he was woken up Monday night by a loud sound and heavy smoke in the kitchen.
As soon as I walked in that room, that fire exploded in a way that it caught my arm on fire.
A neighbor called 911 and Hill was flown to a Nashville hospital.
I've been through 2 tragedies in the last 4.5 years, right? The one flood in Waverly, I lost everything. And I didn't really think about myself during that. I just poured everything I had in me to help others, because that's kind of what I do.
These aren't the only obstacles Hill has overcome. For 20 years, he says he battled a heroin addiction. Now sober, Hill says he spends his time helping others fight substance abuse. October 11th is his annual skydiving event that raises awareness for people struggling.
People ask all the time, why skydiving? You want to know what surrender's like? Try skydiving. You have to surrender.
He says so far 48 people have signed up. While Hill can't jump because of his injuries, he's thankful for the community's support.
I can barely walk, my arms burn up, and the doctor that does the surgery on my feet is jumping in my place.
Investigators are working to figure out what caused the fire. There's a GoFundMe set up to help Hill out with his recovery and his mission. Bob and Haley.